I'm here today at the National Botanic Garden of Wales, set in over 500 acres of glorious countryside. But this place isn't just about beautiful blooms. It's a hub of conservation, innovation, and discovery. From cutting-edge research into plant science to vast glasshouses and wild meadows, there's something to inspire every gardener. So let's take a look around and uncover the magic behind this innovative Welsh wonderland. Dom, this is a beautiful location and a special anniversary year for you, 25 years, so thank you for inviting us along today. Tell me a little bit about the site.
So 1600 is when the Middleton family first appeared. Mm-hmm. And they had this and they developed the gardens for a few hundred years. Then a chap called William Wilkin, local artist, came along, rediscovered this place.
And he had a vision.
He had a big vision. So the vision was to take this heritage landscape and to put this new creation around the environment, education, research, a proper scientific institution for Wales. We have a seed bank. We were one of the first botanic gardens to collect the DNA of endemic species. So we have basically got like a little bit of the DNA from all the plants within Wales, but are found in Wales.
So exciting.
And we've basically catalogued that. And that's really important for science.
It is, because you can lose so many plants. So the work you're doing here is vital. Now, this area seems a little bit herbaceous-y, rock garden. Where are we?
This is the boulder garden at the top of the Broadwalk. We've got a collection of lots of herbaceous and woody perennials here. A lot of classic Mediterranean plants like the cotton lavenders, the santalinas, and in amongst these great big giant bluestone boulders.
They're glorious, aren't they? And whereabouts did they come from?
So these are all sourced from quite local quarries near us.
And plants we've got here, this looks interesting.
This is a bottle brush Melaleuca virens. This is only found on high areas of Tasmania. So it's extremely hardy, but beautiful lime green flowers in the summer.
What are your considerations when planting and maintaining an area like this?
Traditionally, we've been planting it up with Mediterranean flora, lavenders, rosemaries. But obviously we're here in West Wales, it's very wet.
Yes.
Get quite cold winters, and so you need something with a degree of hardiness.
Yeah.
And so we're looking at bringing in plants that can cope with those climates, but also trying to diversify now and bring in plant collections from South America, from New Zealand and Tasmania, which would have similar climates to Carmarthenshire.
Yeah.
And actually there's a really interesting eucalyptus here that I planted just last year.
This little one here, not what people expect from a eucalyptus, is it? It's
No, that's
tiny.
right. So this is Eucalyptus vernicosa. So it grows only to about 1 metre high like this. It's actually the smallest eucalypt in the world. This one is found only in the high areas of Tasmania. So it's very exposed, very wet, and it's evolved to just get to about this little height here.
Yeah.
Very lovely, shiny little leaves to it as well.
Yes, and I'm going to take a leaf off here because I love to just... it's so good, so refreshing.
It's gorgeous.
A great plant for anybody, for any small space, isn't it?
That's right.
Elizabeth, this is the most incredible structure. It's so modern and bright. Tell me about it.
So this is actually the largest single-span glasshouse in the world. So no central supporting structures, anything. It's all just freestanding. And there's actually 785 individual panes of glass that kind of make up this iconic dome structure. And it was completed in the year 2000.
So it's an incredible structure, isn't it? There's a lot to clean up there, but very, very bright.
Yes, very bright.
I mean, the plants obviously love it, get a lot of light in. Why does it mean so much to you?
I think what makes it really special to me is that they showcase some of the world's most diverse flora. So everything in here comes from Mediterranean climates of the world. So California, South Africa, Western Australia. So those areas, they actually make up, they only cover about 2% of the world's surface, but they contain more than 20% of the world's flowering species.
It's incredible. when you look around here as well, it's very richly planted.
Yes.
You know, it's very dense. It's very, all the different colours of green imaginable.
Yes. And things flower at different points. So there's always a little bit of color going on no matter what time of year it is. There's always something flowering. Yeah.
Different foliage as well, whether that's a eucalyptus or...
Yes, this is an this is an agonis. So,
oh, okay.
Yeah, it smells lovely too.
Yeah.
And you can break open the leaves and have a sniff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's so refreshing.
It's lovely. It's like going to the spa, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really minty. And I thought it was a eucalyptus.
No, it's not actually. It's an agonis, but same family, so they are related. Yeah.
Always learning, I think, in the world of plants, aren't you? Sharing and finding out information. Now, a lot of the plants in here aren't hardy, but I guess that's okay for people growing them as houseplants.
Yeah, absolutely. Like these here, these are a type of aloe, and they could absolutely be grown in a conservatory or a nice sheltered spot in your garden in the summer. And they've got these big, beautiful torch-like flowers. So this is actually a heather, a bit bigger than what you might see in your garden at home, but still in the same family, still related. Yeah, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love this plant. It puts on such a show for us. It flowers, probably from about January all the way through mid-March. Yeah,
that's really good. And it's like a cloud of very clean white, isn't it? And people will recognize this. It's very obviously a heather now, you tell me, but you'd be used to seeing it in moorland.
Quite low down.
Yeah. It's ground cover, in whether the New Forest or the Yorkshire Moors.
Yeah, exactly.
But this is spectacular. Would this be hardy if someone was to grow it?
This is not entirely hardy, but if you have kind of a more sheltered, frost-free spot, or if you were to take it in over the winter, you would be able to grow it at home. Just a nice, free, draining spot, nothing that sits in water for too long. Yeah.
It's like a gorgeous white cloud. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. So this is another one of my favorite plants just here. Might not look like the most fantastic plant at first, but my favorite thing about it is it's got this incredible way of surviving after wildfires. This plant is native to Western Australia, so incredibly hot, dry climate, regular wildfires, and you can see just here, these are, they're basically just really woody follicles. And what happens during a wildfire is the extreme heat makes these crack open and then release seed, and then that's, when the rains come after the fire, that's how they germinate. And I think my other favorite part about it is, in order to propagate these, we actually get to use a blowtorch to open up the seed pod. Oh, it's great. It's great.
But doesn't it show how clever these plants are?
Absolutely.
Really?
It's amazing.
They really adapt to their surroundings.
So many different mechanisms to survive. Yeah. It's just such an incredible place to work. I mean, the plants in here, they're not like any other plants that you're going to find when you're out on your typical walk.
Great team here as well.
Yeah.
Doing great work.
Amazing. Yeah, I'm so happy to still be here. Yeah.
It's been a real treat exploring this place, delving into the history and science and getting lost in these incredible plant collections. This place is always growing, always surprising, and I can't wait to see what the next 25 years have in store.